Dr. Emmanuel Akande has underscored the need for public and private partnership to track remittances as a means to boost gross domestic product in Nigeria. He called for research through public-private partnership to track and trace the sources of remittances to Nigeria.
Many of the remittances we have had has impact on GDP, on our economy. Although the channels through which those remittances can be tracked, those remittances can actually be evaluated has not been fully tracked. That is the problem. So how can Joe Biden help many of the immigrants? He can give them job, and when you give a lot of Nigerian jobs, of course they will repatriate some of these things back home. And when they repatriate it back home, you will see that it will affect the GDP. You will have much of this money that is actually going up there and is affecting our economy. In another way, in what other way? Of course, we can have a trade deals, with the US. They can buy some of our products, more and more, unlike what is happening now in the time of Trump. Then another thing that could happen, there will also be other concessionary talk that can actually help the Nigeria economy in certain ways. So we do not have a nice or good data or good way to track our data. So what can Nigerian government do? Let us have a good data management base. That is actually the key. Let us have a good data management. Let's pump money. Let's have research that we put up. Anytime you make money, anytime the diaspora send money home, it goes into a particular place. Tayo Akande sent $20,000 home, and this translates into so and so official rate, translated into so and so naira. Again, it goes through the banking system. The banking system is supposed to be able to track it up to the level where somebody is withdrawing it out. That is the end users, and that is the household.